You're watching ChillyBoy Productions. I'm Larry ChillyBoy Chilson, and this is a reaction for Cowboy Bebop. Now, before we get into this episode's reaction, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can chill with me on each and every one of my new videos. So now we are up to session number 3 for Cowboy Bebop, the first season of the Netflix live action series. So far, we've had a couple of interesting plot points, though I'm waiting for them to get to a point where I'm putting pieces together and really getting invested in what's happening. We haven't quite got there yet, but we're introducing new interesting characters, at least, along the way to kind of build up this puzzle. Show continues to be hyper stylized, sometimes to a fault, other times to great success. Particularly, I love the camera work and the direction here. I think it looks amazing. The effects are amazing. And that also helps me keep invested. Plus, the action is a lot of fun. So we ended off with Vicious talking to two goons about the bomber getting killed and the assassin getting killed, and letting him know that our boy Spike got him. He's still on the move, and all of this happened in Spike's friend's nightclub as she watched on. I also learned that Spike's ex-girl is knowingly with Vicious. He knows. I presumed he thought she was dead, but he knows she just moved along. So there's that. Question answered quickly. But let's cut out all this chit chat and get into episode 3. Ugh, no, thank you.
You know, I hear the sake here on Mars is only good when it rains.
Ooh.
Stay in the city, and I'll find you.
Oh my gosh, all of these damn commercials are too much. And here we go with this damn toy again.
Could put my fist up your ass.
True, and it would feel really good, but would it solve anything?
Let's get off this rock.
Well, look who comes a-calling after all these years. Jet Black.
Oh my, man.
Better. Now there's a tall glass of creamy chocolate milk standing in my eye line.
This is my partner.
Pleasure. Seriously.
You a good guy or a bad guy, Spiegel?
Oh my.
Depends on who you ask.
I was thinking less along the lines of cash, more along the lines of dinner.
Ooh, woo.
You, Badlakiani. 2 bottles if we're feeling dangerous.
Ow!
And we can talk about
Who
this.
is this hot man?
About RTC.
So you two really...
Spike.
Okay.
Ooh.
Seriously, though.
Spike, keep your eye on the ball.
Oh. What the hell?
Wish we had the audio. You see that scar on his wrist?
Mm-hmm. Pretend I don't know what that means? And if you would have started this conversation with brothel, we would have saved ourselves a whole lot of time. Which one?
Oh.
There's only 2 low-rent brothels.
Oh, Lord.
Betty's Boot
Frequent buyer?
and Betty's Bottom.
Oh my
What's the
gosh.
difference?
Oh my.
You think about putting a bullet in a guy like that?
Oh my.
Benicio?
Yeah, that's right. The black market center, the pimple playthings, the man with the bag.
You got
Oh
the
my
dog.
Lord.
Well, I'm glad you don't consider extortion a violation of your parole.
What your daughter want with that white ass, nasty looking dog anyway, sir?
Exchange is broken. We can do this the easy way or the fun way.
Oh.
Fun way it is.
The porn sign in the background of a fight. I live. Oof. Chop me in half, John Cho. Just wasted 35K on an ugly ass doll. Oh. Oh. Ah. Ooh.
Nice.
Oh. Oh Lord. He'll be alright. Get the crook. Get the crook.
Good.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Stupid. Oh. Ah! Oh my. Okay. Dog Star Swing, huh? That's a long intro. I feel like we're halfway through the episode and they just put the title card up.
But he played trombone.
Which gave him the most skilled lips, both on and off the stage.
Oh,
I made no secret of it.
oh my. Poor woman over here limping around. Everybody wants to talk in private, girl. Stuck between a quarrel of ex-lovers.
Is it new? Shouldn't have come. This will only get worse.
But listen up, girl. No, you won't.
We always do.
There's always a choice. That's why you came.
Ooh.
I think you can give Kimmy this one.
Oh my
I
lord.
think she's gonna notice.
We got a dog. Only 10,000 moves.
Right.
See.
Oh no.
Not 7 grand, 7 woos.
That's all you got? To your name?
Made a few bad business decisions.
Oh.
And by a few, I mean you.
Oh. Oh. What are you doing with these dogs, sir? Oh. Mm-mm. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh. Oh. You a nasty bastard. You better put that damn gun down.
If I could get away with it, I'd pull Chalmers into a dark alley and put my metal fist right through his smiley fucking face. Make him go through the rest of his miserable life with a face that matches his miserable sense of brotherhood.
Ooh.
I'll be right back.
Uh-oh, back on that sneaking off game. Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
Oh, Lord, what am I about to get into?
I'm already late for my midnight bukkake, and I still have 2 honey fat boys waiting.
No!
Baby calves, that's rodeo. Double-sided dildo, he is a cheap bastard.
Yes,
Oh.
you keep saying that.
Well, she's bitter.
Thank you for your
Rightfully so.
All right, thank you.
Are you a cheap bastard?
Not by choice, mistress.
time. Spike,
Hmm?
let's go.
Hey.
Oof. Somebody get him the money so we can tie him up. Spank that little bad boy booty.
Check. A dog.
The corgi.
Can't remember the last time I saw a real dog.
Oh, I love him. The VIP has arrived. Oh. Okay, maybe he's not that big a bastard, but don't be pointing no damn guns at them again.
What are you doing?
I was gonna kill him. How the hell would you do that?
That's just it. I couldn't do it.
wasn't fair. They didn't do anything.
Yeah.
Shit, they're just dogs. Not to those rich assholes. And they got these adorable faces.
Yeah, they
I
do.
mean, they're so adorable. They don't deserve
They
to
don't.
die.
They don't
You're
deserve
right,
it.
they don't.
My life's not worth living.
Look, it's worth plenty. 15 million wounds to be exact. That's pretty good.
Oh.
And I go away for the piece of shit that I am. We gotta do something about your self-esteem, okay? Yeah, I know.
Oh
Son of a
no. So now they bring the corgi. But are they giving the corgi to the daughter? Or is the corgi staying with them? I want him to be a sidekick. Oh my. Oh, it is the corgi. Oh, I love him.
Pretty great, right?
No, Jet. Not great.
Uh-oh. Oh.
And take that dog back to wherever you found it.
Oh. That does mean he gets to be a sidekick. Oh.
End this now.
Or what?
Or you die,
I envy you.
beesh.
You're one man. I'm untouchable.
Kill him, please.
I see you got yourself a new set of wheels.
Do it. Do it. Do it. And I wish you would have just killed him. Ooh. All right. Oh, that was session number 3 of Cowboy Bebop. And I definitely liked this episode more than I liked episode 2. First of all, the music was utilized much better this go round than I felt the music was in the second one. Just saying. But I was more invested in the story. I like where we're starting to develop these different plot lines. And of course, the corgi is here. The corgi is finally here. Yes. But I love that moment with Jet and his daughter, with the corgi. I'm coming around a little bit with Jet, not just his character, because I think his character is good. The acting, the performance, it's taken me a little bit to get into, but I think I'm finally getting there. We're moving along. And of course, Doncho and Spike, love his character still. And I am excited for this little battle. I do kind of wish we had just gotten Vicious out of the way. He gets on my nerves. Just kill him. Kill him. But you know, we can't do that yet. It's only the 3rd episode, I suppose. But that was my reaction for Cowboy Bebop Season 1, Session 3. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead, click like down below and subscribe to the channel so that you are always up to date on all of my latest videos. Also, join in on the discussion. What did you think of episode number 3? Let me know either in the comment section down below, or you can hit me up on Twitter. I love you all so much for your continued support. Mwah! Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.